Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Let me just apologize in advance for this crazy hair. It has been in a messy bun all day long, and yeah, my hair is naturally wavy, but when it's in a bun and I'm outside, it makes some crazy curls. So today's video is going to be a hair video, and I'm going to show you guys how I curl my hair with a straightener, which is, everyone's probably like, oh my god, everyone knows how to do that, but I know a lot of people who don't. And when I was at college, a lot of my roommates would ask me like, hey, can you curl my hair? Can you show me how to do that? So I'm gonna do a quick tutorial for you guys, and I hope you like it. So the first thing that I do is I go ahead and take my Pantene Styling Heat Protectant Spray and spray my whole head with that, and the background too. Oh my gosh, I keep spraying it. Okay. Kind of shake it out so that your hair is not wet. And now I'm just gonna turn into a frizzy mess because I'm gonna brush through my hair. Okay, so the next thing I'm gonna do is take the top half of my hair and with an alligator clip. Oh, yeah, I've been trying some natural deodorant and it made me super itchy, so be careful with that. But anyways, okay, so I just take that, I twist it to a little top bun. Clip that right up there. And then I'm gonna turn on my straightener. It should heat up super fast. And, okay, this sprayer is terrible. Can you guys, like, it's just not good. Okay. So then I usually brush it one more time on whatever layer I am working on. Sorry, I'm like Pimple City right now. What is this? Whatever. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and, I made that too wet. Okay, now I'm gonna show you how I use the straightener to curl my hair. So the straightener that I have is the Palladium Ceramic by Jo Baree. I got this at Sally Beauty. It's old. I probably got it like 4 years ago now. I definitely got it the beginning of high school or the end of middle school, so I've had it a while, 4 or 5 years. Got it at Sally Beauty, and I've been looking for another one and I just can't find it. So if anybody has that, please link it in the comments below. I will love you forever because I have been looking for it. So I usually section about a 1-inch piece, depending on what type of curls I want. If I want nice waves, then I would just do bigger. But I like the swivel on this, so you will see why that comes in handy when I do it. So go away from your head and slowly, oh, there's the protectant spray. Slowly twist. As you can see, my fingers are just twisting the whole way. And some people just flip once and pull down, but I can show you a difference in the curls right now with that. So this is the curl doing what I did, just continuously twisting. And now we can just do a quick piece showing how, you know, usually I've seen a lot on YouTube. So that's when you twist and flip and then you just pull down. And the difference for me is that it's just looser in here. It's just kind of loose. And it falls out quicker for me. So if you actually twist it, then I feel like each part of the hair gets a little bit more heat and it stays longer. I finished the bottom layer of my hair. This took me, I just timed it, took me 2.5 minutes to do, after I did those 2 curls, to do my whole head. It's super fast when you just do the twisting method. So now I'm gonna work my way to the top, undo my little bun. And I have like kind of side bangs, so I like to leave those for last. So I take a little section. So I would say I do about 3 sections. And I just take a smaller section and make a little bun, like a little, this is a look, honestly. I think it's good. Yeah. This is cute. Okay. And now I'm just going to curl, and I will speed this up a bit for you guys. Okay, so now I'm taking down my final layer. And then I usually take this, what is this called? Fishtail comb. And do my part. And just remember, like, curl away from your face. Especially when you're framing your face, you don't want it curled in. Now, some people might prefer to like straighten your head before you curl it, if you have wavy hair like I did before I started. But you know, I really don't mind the look when it has a little curl at the top. I don't mind it. Some people do, but of course, if you straighten your hair, I've done it before, it doesn't make a super huge difference. Okay, so now for my bangs, I'm just gonna move all my hair back. Okay, brush these. Okay, and I did get them trimmed recently, so like, I don't know how I'm gonna look. They're a little too puffy for me. Not sure how I feel about them. Well, that is all I have for you guys today. Let me know what you think of this hairstyle in the comments below. I don't use any hairspray because my hair is naturally curly and it does hold curls. But if you need hairspray, go ahead and use it. Shake it out a little bit. I fall asleep with my hair just in a regular elastic. Sometimes it creates a little bump. I just wrap it 2 times, or you can use a scrunchie or any other method not to make a dent. But this lasts me about 2 days, and with hairspray it could last probably 2 days. My hair will get a little greasy, yeah. But thank you so much, you guys, for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up and comment below. I can't speak. Comment below what kind of videos you want to see next. Bye, guys.